You might be wondering where I am right now, but I put the camera in the fridge. This is the fridge. There's the fridge and stuff. And basically, I hid the camera in here, and Victoria's about to come down for something. I don't know, but she said, Hala, you better finish up your video because I'm about to come down for something. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge. Pickles. Daddy, can I have some pickles? Well, I was just looking for some butter, but I couldn't find it.
For what?
Butter.
Why'd there be butter in the fridge?
I don't know.
There's none.
There's corn syrup.
What else? Good idea. What's better? We should do this for an upcoming video.
But
So we grab the lime juice and the lemon juice. And then we try each one. One sour. Why is the fridge open? Oh, whatever. I'll put it back when I'm done. Let me try the lime, but I hate limes. Yeah, but like, don't tell the viewers or anything.
I won't.
Actually, no, it's bitter. Well, okay, whatever. Do you want to make that video now? Maybe later. Okay. Stop looking at it.
just needs some bread. Seriously, Holly? You found out. Victoria found out.
Pickle tastes old.
Okay, well, thank you guys for watching this video.
Well, I guess I don't.
Like, comment down below, and subscribe. Say hi to Victoria. Bye. Bye. That was called the fridge prank. Don't. Bye. Love ya.